What is up, YouTube? Is Chime accepting PPP loans? We're gonna actually discuss what a PPP loan is, and we're also going to see what your status is when it comes to that loan. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about this loan, and I'm going to break down exactly what it is, and then also does Chime qualify for it? Now, this can go for any bank, so you guys drop the comments below. You guys let me know exactly, are you trying to apply for this loan? Like, what's going on? And also, now, an SBA-backed loan that helps businesses keep their workforce employed during the COVID-19 crisis. The Paycheck Protection Program is a loan designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their workers on payroll. So this basically just keeps everybody on payroll. Now, if you guys apply for this loan, as I mentioned, drop the comments below. Now, who actually qualifies for this loan? I'm going to break this down. Then I'm also going to break down some information from Chime members who actually spoke on this issue. They actually spoke on this issue on their personal behalf, if they received it or not. But let's talk about what actually qualifies you for a PPP loan. Now, anyone who qualifies for a PPP loan is any small businesses with 500 or fewer employees may be eligible. This includes small businesses, S corporations, C corporations, LLCs, private nonprofits, faith-based organizations, groups, and veteran groups are actually qualified to receive a loan. Now, without one last question before we actually get into this, do you have to pay back PPP grants? The only way you will have to pay back all or part of the PPP loan is if you don't use it for specific items outlined above. Initially, no more than 25% of the forgiven amount could be used to cover non-payroll costs if you wanted your PPP loan completely forgiven. That has been changed to 40% as of June 5th, 2020. So they have updated that this past year of that information. They actually put, I'm here to kill the is Chime rejecting PPP funds question. Deposit just posted at 11:45 p.m. into a Chime account. For wondering, Chime members, they 100% accept PPP loans over 10K. No verifications, no holdups. If the names match it, we'll deposit. We can put that question to rest now. A week ago, after being worried, I made a call to Chime just to ask. They said they do not accept SBA loans in any form anymore. They did months prior to the pandemic. However, PPP coming from a lender has no limit and will clear, actually much faster than normal banks. I transferred 10K of it immediately though. I don't trust Chime, but they have been pretty responsive this round. Last round, they and everybody else were still figuring it out. I think the policy for independent loans have changed. It has not been advertised though, I'm guessing to scare scammers. Just a heads up for those who are afraid to apply because of the Chime horror stories, they are non-existent this round. Somebody commented, no. If you don't want to take a chance, do not use Chime. 2 steps back from lending to SBA processing. I switched banks and is back lending. Also, Chime said they aren't taking any more business deposits. Guys, drop the comments below. Let me know how you feel about this. Somebody also said, how do you change your bank? You can actually email them. How do you change your bank? So yeah, guys, I'm actually trying to see just been paid on Chime. So people have been getting paid with Chime, you know. So I want you guys to drop the comments below. Let me know if you guys are thinking about applying. Did you apply? And like, what is your status right now as we speak? Currently, what is your status? If you guys want to be entered in a giveaway, I am making a new video which should be on my channel right now under my playlist that says giveaway. It's an easy way for you guys to enter. If you guys are a member of my channel, you guys get an extra entry. So it's kind of like a win-win situation for everybody. But especially if you're a member, you're going to get that extra winning ticket. So you guys want to be a member, you guys want to subscribe. I appreciate each and everybody who actually watch my videos. You guys take the time out of your busy day to watch me or listen to me. Either way, either or. I 110% appreciate that. First, second, third, fourth stimulus check status update, IRS delivery schedule, when your plus up payment could arrive, and we are still doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So we got a lot to talk about here. My name is Quentin Banks. I'm your host, doing the most. If you guys got questions regarding your stimulus payments, your taxes, feel free to drop those questions below. As I talked about before on my previous videos, a lot of institutions watch my videos and they actually want you guys to comment, and that way they can actually, better their services. So feel free, drop those questions below. A lot of people have been still waiting on their third stimulus check, questions about plus up payments, and we also got SSI, veterans, and child tax as well. Veterans are next in line to receive stimulus payments this week. Whether your check has arrived or you're still waiting, here's what to know about delivery dates, partial payments, and delays. A lot of people was questioning, like, what is a plus up payments? Do I qualify? Can you really get into more description as far as what a plus up payment is? Now, a plus up payment is a supplement to the stimulus money the IRS already paid out. But if you didn't get the right amount the first time, the agency is sending automatic pay bumps to correct the error. You might get a plus up payment if the IRS used your 2019 taxes to calculate your third stimulus check and then find it underpaid you after processing your 2020 taxes. For example, perhaps you had a lower AGI this time or added a new dependent. If you got your stimulus payment direct deposit, that's how you'll end up getting your plus up payment money as well. Now, if the IRS doesn't have your details on file, you may receive a paper check instead. This goes out to the plus up payments, stimulus payments as well. That's why it is very, very beneficial if you guys make sure your information is correct on your taxes, make sure your information is correct on your stimulus check, address, direct deposit, all that good stuff. So you guys want to make sure everything is correct, because if there's one error on there, they will send you a paper check, and those paper checks are delayed. It could take up to a week or two later. Now, if you guys have received your third stimulus check, feel free to drop those questions and comments below. If you guys got questions and comments. Now, those plus up payments will continue on a weekly basis as the IRS processes 2020 tax forms, reevaluate checks. The batch going out this week includes 1 million plus up payments totaling more than $2 million. So this looks like it's going to be beneficial to the Americans, to society. Democrats and Republicans, they both agreed that they want to stimulate the economy. So this is the perfect way to stimulate the economy, give back the American people money that they deserve. And then by doing that, the American people will spend the money, help stimulate the economy. Now, let's say you're a veteran or you're still waiting on your stimulus checks. This is how the IRS will send your stimulus payment now. Now, if you're getting your new stimulus check delivered now, expect to receive it in the mail, as a paper check or EIP debit card. However, if you're on SSI or SSDI, payments will be on a Direct Express benefit card. You should get it